Oliver, why don't you ever show losing trading days? This is a good one, somewhat hilarious, but a good question. I guess in order for me to answer this, it's necessary for me to go into my personal stats as a trader. As a professional trader, I experience anywhere between 4 and 6 or so losing trading days a year. Now, I've only just begun issuing or putting out my live trading videos as of this February. I did this a number of years ago and the videos were extraordinarily popular, but I did them privately for the traders that I personally fund. This round, I decided that I'm going to actually start recording my trading again, but I'm going to do it not only for my traders, but for the general public as well. Now, as a result of that, the videos and what I put into the videos in terms of content is a little more dumbed down, quite naturally. It's not specifically for my highly trained traders. It's more for the general public to get a glimpse into what we do on a day-to-day basis. Now, there are many of you, I'm sure, that might regard a trader experiencing only 4 to 6 losing trading days a year as being somewhat extraordinarily. Some of you would say that's impossible or unbelievable. And I understand, coming from the retail world, it is not very common to experience or see a trader with that small number of losing trading days per year. It seems impossible. But in the professional arena, that is not quite as rare as some may think it is. There's a world of professional traders that have a very, very low number of trading days per year. NASDAQ market makers rarely have a losing trading day. If they start to have fairly high numbers of losing trading days, they will quickly cease to be a NASDAQ market maker trading for a NASDAQ market making firm. New York Stock Exchange specialists rarely, if ever, have a losing trading day. It is extraordinarily rare for a specialist to have a losing trading day. The level of profitability might fluctuate quite wildly at times, but losing days are extraordinarily rare. There are micro traders, or what some would refer to as day traders, because their exposure is so limited to what potentially can go wrong, they actually decrease their odds of experiencing losses and increase their odds of experiencing gains, right? So whether it's due to your style, or whether it's due to your long years of experience, whether it's due to a specific edge that you might have, like the New York Stock Exchange specialist has the book in his control. The NASDAQ market maker has his institutional order flow to trade around. Whatever the reason, there is a world of traders out there that experiences these 4, 5, 6, 10 losing trading days in a year. That's not to say that there are not many losing trades. Oh yes, I experience quite a decent number of losing trades. They just don't translate very often into losing days. But I will tell you this, that when a losing day is experienced by me, you can bet your bottom dollar it will be released, and it will be released very quickly. Why? Because the losing trading days, I tend to really make extraordinarily educational, more so than the winning trading days, because I believe that a lot more can be gleaned from a down day than an up day. Losing days, because they happen so rarely for me, tend to capture the attention of my audience in a more serious way. So I know that video is going to be watched more frequently. It's going to be repeated more times. And so I will make it my mission to make a losing trading day one of the most educational videos that I put out there. So trust me, they come, they just don't come very often. When they come, they tend to come for me in a cluster. So when you see a losing trading day from me, there's typically another losing trading day that's coming very shortly, and another one very shortly after that. And that's largely due to either a specific market environment that's materialized that I can't seem to adjust to and put my finger on the pulse of very rapidly or quickly. It could be due to me just being off, fatigued or tired, or a variety of different reasons, but they do tend to cluster. So when you see one, pay close attention. You're probably going to see several shortly after that. But stick around. The losing trading days will come. I promise you that.